Colorimeter operation video. 1. Power on, off. Short press the button on the top of the device to power on. Long press the button for about 10 seconds to power off. 2. How to connect to a mobile phone. Scan the QR code to download the app. After opening the app, click Connect to automatically search for the instrument serial number. Click Connect next to the serial number to establish the connection. Note: ensure Bluetooth and location permissions are enabled on the phone, and the instrument remains powered on. 3. How to calibrate the instrument. Go to Personal Center. Click Settings. Then select Calibration at the bottom of the screen. Place the instrument's measurement port into the calibration box for white calibrate, and click Calibrate. Remove the calibration box and attach it to the top of the instrument, approximately 1 meter above the ground, for black calibration. For how to measure color and color differences in standalone mode, place the instrument's test port against the sample surface for reference measurements. Long press the top test button for 2 seconds to switch to color difference measurement. Place the instrument against the sample for measurement. The color difference result is 9.9. 5. How to measure color and color differences via app connection. On the measure interface, click Target to measure the first sample's color value. Place the instrument against another sample and click Sample to obtain the color difference and color deviation between the two samples. 6. How to find color card numbers via app connection. Click Find Similar Colors. Select Library to pick the desired color card. Then click Measure to get the closest matching color card number for the sample. 7. How to create a personal color library via app connection. Go to My Color. Click Select Library, collapse My Collection, then click to Personal Color Library and select Create. Enter the color library name to complete creation. On the Measure Diff interface, click Measure to measure the sample color. Tap Save, select the newly created color library, and edit the sample name before saving if needed. How to measure other color parameters via app connection. Go to Personal Center, Settings, Color Spaces, and select the parameters to measure. Supported parameters vary by model. Refer to the purchased model for details. For example, to measure XYZ, select XYZ, return to the color measurement interface, and proceed with measurement. 9. How to set tolerance. Go to Settings, Tolerance. The default tolerance is 2. Users can adjust it as needed. A smaller tolerance value indicates stricter color difference control for the product. The above is the operation video for the colorimeter.